Okay, so next we will go ahead and look into the timetable module, which will help you to create a timetable for a course and manage the timetable. So we click on timetable icon and we get into a page where you can find options such as edit timetable, set class timings, and view timetables. So for a freshly installed system, we have to go into the set class timings to configure the various timings of a particular period. So we click on set class timing, and for a freshly installed system, we have a default class timing that is 1 2, then it is interval 3 4, then there is a lunch period, then we have 5 6 and 7. So all you have to do is, since you have just 7 periods and 1 interval and 1 lunch, you just need to edit them to give an appropriate name and select the start and end time. So we click on edit for the first period and we have the start time. We select it to be 9 a.m. in the morning and it ends in the 10 a.m. in the morning, and we update it and the time shows up over here. So similarly, you can edit the start and end time for the rest of the class timings, and at any time, since we have by default only 7 periods, if you decide to create a new period after the 7th period, you can enter it over here, that is period number 8, and there is a checkbox over here which tells you you need to check it only that if that particular period is a break. Okay, and you can select the start time and end time, and you can go ahead and create the period for your timetables. Alright, so let us keep it only 7 period, and we go back, and next we will go ahead and configure the timetable for a particular course. So we click on edit timetable and we have a drop down to select the class for which we are going to create the timetable. So let us select 1A and we click on go, and we get a view of a timetable with cells, and we have weekdays over here and the period names, that is the period numbers over here, and we have subjects belonging to this particular course, that is 1A. So if you have 7 to 8 subjects, it will be listed over here. Okay, and to create the timetable, all you have to do is you click on the subject and you drag it and drop it over the particular cell, and if you drop it, that subject gets listed over there. So it's very simple creating a timetable for a course, and at any time if you would like to create, or if you would like to drop a subject in multiple cells, all you have to do is click on those cells and then drag the subject and drop it over any one of the selected cells, and then it will update over those selected cells. Very simple. Okay, so this is how we can go ahead and create a timetable for a particular course. So let's get back, and we have an option called view timetables. If you click on view timetable, we just need to select a course for which we are looking for a timetable. We click on 1A for which we have created the timetable previously, and the timetable gets pulled up instantly. So these were the cells where we had entered the subjects. So it's very simple to manage and configure the timetable using Fedena for your campus or for your school. So that's all about managing timetable for a particular course in your school or campus.